Number 1. The Army of Ice Spikes. Imagine hiking through the Andes Mountains, and suddenly you stumble upon what looks like a frozen army. Thousands of sharp ice spikes, all pointing in the same direction, like they're ready for battle. These aren't your average icicles. They're called penitentes, and they can grow taller than a person. You might think these spikes were carved by fierce mountain winds. That's what Charles Darwin thought too when he first saw them. But the sun is the artist here, and it's using a process that sounds like science fiction. In these high mountains, the sun is so intense and the air so thin that snow doesn't melt. It vanishes, goes straight from solid to gas, skipping the liquid phase entirely. Scientists call it sublimation. The rest of us call it sorcery. Once a tiny dip forms in the snow, it becomes a light trap. Sunlight bounces around inside like it's playing pinball, carving the dip deeper and deeper. Give it enough time, and you get these massive ice spikes that look like they're reaching for heaven. But these ice armies only form in places where the air is thinner than paper. We're talking about altitudes above 4,000 meters, where the air is so thin you'd be gasping for breath. The locals name them penitentes because they look like hooded monks doing penance, which is fitting, because if you stumble into a field of these things at night, you'll be praying too. And we've found evidence that these spiky formations might exist on other worlds too. Pluto might have its own army of ice spikes, and so might Europa, one of Jupiter's moons.